Hello everyone and good morning. Now as I'm doing the video, pre-market has not begun. And as always, if you're new to this channel, in pre-market I come out with videos, but I do not have the camera turned on. In the afternoon, again, I come out with a second video, which there I have the camera turned on and you'll be able to see me. So the first thing, everyone, I want to talk about before I get to two stocks I want to mention that I think are going to go higher today is the first. Let's just do a quick look at the top stocks that were trending yesterday. DRMA and Dermar Therapeutics. I have done a video on this company back in 2021, if I remember. Tesla, BLU, let's see here, GMDA. Now that went up and it made a lot of people money, right? I had made a video about this over 3 weeks ago, if I remember right, or a month ago. And people made money on this, but be careful because ticker symbol GMDA announced a public offering this morning, so it should go down today. Bank of America at number 10. That is a great stock. When it was 27, 28, I mentioned in my Patreon channel to my members that I think that this is a great opportunity to pick up a great company for the long term. Of course, for me personally speaking, and it's working out fine, and it will. I'm not worried about Bank of America. It should eventually go back to 40, 45, 50 bucks, right? So it's in my opinion, it's perfect. All right, let's go on to the stock. By the way, if you're new and you're thinking to yourself that maybe my presentation might not be great, I'm not a great presenter and I'm not here to sell and to pitch something to someone or sell them something. I don't, so that's why I'm not a good presenter. I'm just here to share information about what I think are stocks to make money from. And obviously you don't trade according to my video. All right, Intuitive Machines Inc LUNR. It closed at 1040. Then in the after hours, it went to 1320. And this has a history already of exploding, right? It went over $100 recently this year, so it's going back up again. The reason is that Intuitive Machines bolsters orbital services business line with $719 million NASA award. That sounds good, but the titles can be very tricky in the stock market, so be careful. You read the article. It's not that they received a full $719 million contract. They took part into a contract for NASA that could be worth, I think, within the next, if I remember right, next 5-year base performance period, and a maximum ordering value of $719. So it's up to $719 million. What they're really going to get out of that, we'll see, but it is positive news, and I think people are going to run off with that. The low is $14. The analysts are giving it 24, and the high is 36. All right, so I expect this, since they had a recent hype that drove it from 10 to over $100, that it will probably run again, right? So that's one to look at. I'm sorry, let me go back. Is LUNR a long-term outlook for me? Some people think it is. Personally speaking, for me, I don't know. I don't know. I think that it possibly needs to first fall down to $6 before I look at it as a long term. But we'll see. Maybe I'm wrong. We'll see. TXO Energy Partners, ticker symbol TXO, $22.75. This went public recently back in January, and I did a video about this company with review and analysis before it went public. Why is this going to go higher today? TXO Energy Partners GAAP EPS of negative 25 cents, revenue of $246 million. This was announced today before pre-market opens, and so they had a 7.9% increase year over year in revenue, and with the oil prices going up, right? So they've been slowly, steadily going up recently. I expect that TXO Energy Partners will trade higher than the $22.75 that it closed yesterday, right? And when I say higher, within a month or two, it should go to 28 in my opinion. We'll see, but that's just my opinion. So from 22.75 to 28 is what I give it in within two, 3 months, let's say. All right. So the other one is, maybe yesterday I came out with a video called "People Will Miss Out." You might want to check this out. I'll try to remember to put a link in the comment section of this video. If I forget, please someone remind me. It's actually worth looking into this video because I talk about natural gas and some natural gas plays, some natural gas stocks that in my opinion will go much higher within this year. All right, and going back to TXO Energy Partners, the analysts are bullish on it. They give it a low of 31 and an average of 33 and a high of 35 bucks.
Are you looking for a Discord platform that offers a first-class trading community? That's what you can expect when you join Bull Market Watch. Trading can be challenging for some people, but we're here to simplify the process for you. We have a very powerful track record. Our Discord deals with day trades, swing trades, and long-term trades. Hundreds of traders operate through our Discord, where we come up with stocks to trade for profits on the NASDAQ and NYSE. With a low monthly subscription of $9.90, you will have full access to our Discord, where you can interact with other traders and get all the latest news when it comes to trading as well. It's a community that is extremely supportive of one another and always willing to help each other out. Become a member of Bull Market Watch today and be on your way to a better financial situation.
All right, so with that being said, that's that. Ticker symbol LUNR, ticker symbol TXO, I believe will go higher. I wish you a good trading day today. Do not trade according to my video. What I said expresses just my opinion, and obviously I could be wrong. If you want to share this video in your social media, on your Twitter, your Facebook, and so on, if you want to let people know about TXO or LUNR. Thank you everyone, and take care.